If you want to excel in maths and science, then do click on the link given in our description box and visit on the website of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya and do enroll on our Don't Memorize course which you can avail up to 90% discount. Here you can enhance your maths and science skills with the help of our conceptual videos, flashcards for quick revision, mock test as per latest pattern of your exams with 24 into 7 doubt clearance sessions with the facility of masterclass. To get extra 10% discount in addition, you can use our coupon code that is NT10. So for more details, check out the link given in our description box.
Hello friends, so in this video we will be talking about combustion of materials, in which firstly we will see that do all the materials burn or not. Secondly, we will observe the behavior of different solid fuels, and at the last we will see the testing of necessity of air for burning. So let's begin with our first topic. So firstly we need to know about combustible and non-combustible materials. So whenever a chemical process occurs in which a material reacts with oxygen present in the air to generate heat is called combustion, and the materials which burn when brought near a flame are called combustible materials. So some of them can also be used as fuels, whereas the materials which do not burn are called non-combustible materials. So now let's check, do all the materials really burn or not? So we use different kind of materials as fuels for various purposes at our homes. You might have observed or heard about how people used to burn wood, coal, cakes of cow dung, kerosene, etc. for cooking food at our homes. Blacksmiths in villages also use them for heating metals both in urban as well as rural areas. Nowadays, LPG is used as fuel for cooking the food. We use the light from the burning candle or kerosene lamp when there is no supply of electricity. So if we look at all these materials here, then all burn, but some burns quickly and some takes time to burn. Some shows flame, some doesn't show flame. So all these variations are mainly because of their different chemical properties. And if we talk about in liquids, so let's examine it with the help of the following experiment given below. Let's take a container to pour water in it. Bring a lighted matchstick closer to the surface of water. Keep it for some time and we will observe that if it burns the liquid or not. We can replace water here with different kind of liquids like kerosene, petrol, diesel, coconut oil, mustard oil, etc. Now at the end of the observation, we will see that some liquids burn quickly, some liquids take time to burn, and some liquid doesn't burn with this limited amount of heat. So now let's observe the behavior of different kind of solid fuels. As you can see here in the picture, there are name given of the materials that we used in this table. So if we talk about our first option, that is candle, coal, kerosene, then students, it burns immediately. Whereas if we see to our second option, that is charcoal, wood, it takes time to burn. Third option is magnesium ribbon. So magnesium ribbon will also take time and burn slowly. And if we see to our fourth option, that is cakes of cow dung. So cow dung also takes time to burn. That's why it also burns slowly. And at the last, if we see to camphor wick of oil lamp, then it burns immediately. So we can conclude here that some materials burn and other don't. So by the following examples, we have observed here that when materials burn in air, then heat and light are produced. So now let's see to the testing of the necessity of air for burning. Do really air is required for the burning or not? So for this, we have to take a small burning candle, then put it on the table, invert a glass tumbler over it. The candle continues to burn for some time, then flickers and finally flame goes off. Remove the tumbler and again light the candle. Put the tumbler back over the candle. When the candle flame begins to flicker, then suddenly remove the tumbler. What happens to the candle? Notice very carefully. We find that putting the glass tumbler over the candle cuts off the supply of air, or in other words cuts off the supply of oxygen. The candle flames goes off. This experiment proves that air is needed to burn a material. So friends, you can use some other experiments also that needed to be conducted to prove that oxygen present in air supports the combustion. And in this activity we have seen that air is really needed to burn a material. So I hope all the concepts of this video is clear to you all. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.